Good morning, my viewers. How are you doing? My name remains Oginni Ayoola, your online power academy facilitator. This morning, I'll be talking about electric pole. What do we call electric pole? Electric pole is also called a utility pole, which is a tall structure that is made of maybe wood, concrete, fiber, and every other materials that we'll be speaking about that is meant to carry our overhead lines of materials used for electricity or for telecommunications or even carrying a street light and every other accessories for transporting it from one location to the other. So that is what we call electric poles. We have about four types of electric pole. We have wooden pole, we have concrete pole, we have steel structure pole, and we have lattice tower. A wooden pole is just an upright pole that is made of wood. Well, I've seen it everywhere. Some of us in this part of the world, they call it a firewood. They are treated pole that is meant to carry a low voltage or high voltage of a certain level in of our utility, like electric wire. So that is made of wood. While number two is what the concrete pole. Those one will have about four types of concrete pole. Concrete pole are just a reinforced cement pole that is meant to carry our utility as well, like electric wire for telecommunication, for fiber optics, and the rest. So under concrete pole, we have what we have called PCC, which is plain concrete, plain cement concrete. That one is just a mixture of granite and cement and some little sand to make a pole to carry some of our utility. While number two is RCC, we call them reinforced concrete pole. That one is reinforced with a steel bar. So you see some steel inside it, something like iron steel inside it to what make to reinforce it so that at least it can carry some of our heavy duty lines like aluminum conductor and the rest. You'll see them, we use them for our both low voltage and high voltage like 11 or 4 or 0.400 volt line. While the third one is what we call the pre-stretched concrete pole. Pre-stretched pole is what further strengthened beyond the RCC. That one is taken through some processes that is beyond the RCC that you see. So to make them durable and very strong. While the fourth one is we call it fax wood. That one we use them for AC sticks, for fancy and for factions. You see them, they are concrete pole, but they are being coated with a wooden material, so to look like a wood, but they are concrete pole. So I'm not sure we use that one in part of our country here, Nigeria, but you see them in other part of the world. You see it on the screen. While the fourth one is what we call fiber reinforced concrete pole. That one, I think, if you are in Nigeria, you have passed through. If you have passed through Tomiland Bridge, you see some glow marks that are made of fibers. All these things, the materials make of fiber, glass, and every other materials like to make the poles. Those two, we use them as well. Why the fourth type of poles, electric pole, is what steel structure. Those ones, they are the hollow cylindrical steel measure of a pole. You see them around as well that carry our overhead. They have two types. We have tubular type and we have taper type. Why the last one I'll be talking about is the lattice tower, the baba of them, the gigantic. So lattice tower is just an open framed structure that is made of whether aluminum or steel. It can be a galvanized steel that can be used to carry our heavy high tensions. We use them for like of 132, 330. You see them along the road to carry an extra high voltage into our different locations. So those are what we call a lattice tower. You're seeing that this thing, so that what we call lattice tower. So I said we have about four types of electric pole. We have wooden pole. We have what we call concrete poles. We have steel structures, and we have the lattice tower. So you've been able to learn something about electric pole today. Don't hesitate to join me in my comment section. And if you have anything to add it with it what I told us. Learning is continual and learning is sweet. I will see you in the other class. Bye for now.